You guys, so today is Saturday, so these are the days that I normally post my keto updates. So I am out and about pretty much all day. So I'm about to go and get my hair done. I have a date with my husband later on today, so I don't think there's going to be much time for filming. I should have pre-filmed this, but I didn't. But I still wanted to hop on here and check in with you guys and share with you guys my progress for the week and just talk a little bit about my week. So unfortunately, I was only able to run once because it was raining all week here in California. So I was able to get out and run 2 miles on Tuesday. And I managed to get out to kickboxing once. I went on Wednesday. So I didn't have as much exercise as I normally do. Valentine's Day came. I did not have any chocolate on Valentine's Day. I had a little bit of Lily's chocolate earlier in the week, but I really didn't, I didn't save any for Valentine's Day, which I probably should have. People are probably going to look at me, but that's okay. So people are looking at me. I still get like clammed up when that happens. So what was I saying? I had my Lily's chocolate for the Bachelor. For whatever reason, I was just feeling like moody that day and emotional. So I decided to have my Lily's chocolate on that day. So I didn't have any chocolate for Valentine's Day, which was totally fine. And tonight my husband and I were going out to celebrate Valentine's Day. So hopefully I stay good and I don't, you know, cheat. I will admit this, I did cheat over the weekend, last weekend. I was really craving Five Guys, and I really wanted their Cajun fries and a burger and a shake. So let me tell you something, this is true story. So my husband goes out of his way to go and pick it up for me, and I was in mid meal eating it, and I kid you not, guys, I put it to the side and I went and made eggs and bacon. Like, I was just eating it and I was like, this is just not good. So that was a really good learning experience for me, knowing that if something sounds good, it may not be what I remembered it. So I crave the keto foods. I crave my eggs with butter. I crave the avocado. I crave my coffee every single day, which you guys know my keto coffee is just iced coffee, extra heavy whipping cream, and sugar-free vanilla syrup. I now do 4 pumps instead of 6 pumps. So let's get into the weight. So last week I was 178.4 and I clocked in at 177.2. That was the lowest point I got this week. So I lost 1.2 pounds. So last time was Friday. I always have an apple and peanut butter on Fridays. It's like my Friday treat. So I did have that. So the scale was up a little bit because if you guys didn't know, apples are like really high in sugar. But my official weigh-in for the weigh-in week was 177.2. So next week, so now I've officially lost 10 pounds. Yay, I've lost a full 10 pounds, you guys, and my clothes are fitting so well. I was talking with Nicole this morning, Nicole Burgess. She's doing keto as well, and she's doing such a good job, you guys. Definitely go and follow her journey if you haven't. The girl is killing it. So I'll leave Nicole's channel below, but we were chatting this morning, and I was like, you know what, Nicole, I think I was really a true 12 squeezing into a size 10, because now size 10, like any size 10 will fit me. And I'm getting in trouble with Stitch Fix because everything they send me, it fits perfectly. So I am just loving, so this was my week for keto. So for next week, I would really like to get down to 175. So I've already lost 10 pounds. I've already passed my goal. So I wanted to lose 10 pounds before my birthday, which is April 12th, and I've passed that. So I think that I want to do another 10 pounds by my birthday. So then at this journey, I would have lost 20 pounds since January, which I think January to April, that's a really good goal, to lose 20 pounds in about a 3-month span. So that is my challenge for myself. I am upping my goal. So I want to lose another 10 pounds by my birthday. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to comment below if you are along on the keto process, and let me know where you are in your journey. And I will talk to you guys all later with a more formal sit down video for next week. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.